What a ludicrous display last night. Didn't think that team had it in them, but they sure did in the end. You know, somebody sure needs to get those refs' eyes checked though, am I right? No, I did not watch the game. Enough friendly banter, though. We have news to deliver because I'm your host, Andrew, and this is Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny daily shot of caffeinated crypto headlines. I mean, I tried, right? First up, a pair of powerful politicians are demanding to know if the Securities and Exchange Commission was involved in the timing of Sam Bankman-Fried's arrest. The former FTX CEO was detained in the Bahamas on December 12th, which was the day before he was due to testify in front of the House Financial Services Committee. The testimony would have meant that Bankman-Fried would need to give an explanation about the collapse of FTX under oath, allowing members of Congress the opportunity to grill him for hours like a delicious brisket. A letter written by Patrick McHenry and Bill Huizenga says, "The timing of the charges and his arrest raise serious questions about the SEC's process and cooperation with the DOJ. The American people deserve transparency from you and your agency." Valentine's Day is rapidly approaching, and Paris Hilton wants to be your Metaverse Cupid. Starting February 13th, the reality star, socialite, and Metaverse entrepreneur is launching what's described as an in-game dating reality show in Parisland, her virtual tropical island. So what does that all mean? Well, until March 13th, the Queen of the Metaverse has built the world's first romantic island where you can send your avatar to virtually meet and flirt with 5 other players. There will be minigame activities like buying a wedding ring and outfit, rescuing a castaway, and discovering a love burger's secret ingredient. Hopefully it's not people. The CEO of a fake crypto and foreign exchange platform, FTX, pled guilty to defrauding investors of nearly $250 million. Guaranteeing weekly returns of 5%, Eddy Alexandre convinced tens of thousands of investors to entrust him with their money. He moved $14.7 million into his own account and bought a $155,000 BMW, among other luxuries. The good news, or maybe less bad than you'd expect news, is that he didn't do all that much with the rest. He did try some actual investing though, according to prosecutors, noting that Alexandre sustained millions of dollars in losses on the limited portion of funds that he did invest, which he did not disclose to his investors. So the thing that he was supposed to do, he did really not so good, allegedly. And finally, the owner of bankrupt crypto lender Genesis Global Capital is selling both it and a sister firm, broker Genesis Global Trading, to help pay off as much of the $3.5 billion that it owes its creditors as possible. That includes 340,000 Gemini-earned clients who have some $900 million frozen in the bankruptcy. Under a proposal agreed to by Genesis's parent, Digital Currency Group, and the main creditor representative groups, the 2 Genesis companies will be gathered under one umbrella, catchily named Genesis Global Holdco, for eventual sale. If they can't be sold or don't attract a suitable price, 100% of the equity in the holding company will go to creditors, likely minus a management incentive plan. And I, for one, am sad to see Genesis go away. I have so many fond memories of playing Sonic the Hedgehog 3 and Streets of Rage 2, and oh, my producer is telling me that I'm an idiot. Well, I may be an idiot, but I can still tell you all to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live. And you, dear viewer, can let me know what Genesis does and don't in those comments below, because I read them and I might just shout out my favorite comments in tomorrow's episode, though I don't know what and don't. He do everything. Questions about our headlines or crypto in general? Why not ask Alex in that description below? Alex is a great resource for all things Web3 and the Metaverse, and that about does it for today. Again, I've been your host, Andrew. These have been your headlines, and we'll see all of your beautiful, shining faces tomorrow.